you thinking about updating your bathroom this year? Well, before you dive in, let me save you from some serious design regret. My name's Carrie. I'm a designer here at Penny Modern, and I'm revealing the 8 top bathroom trends that you definitely want to avoid. I've gathered up insights from leading designers, trend reports, and just plain old years of home renovation experience to bring you the ultimate guide of what not to do in your next bathroom remodel. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm sharing 3 no-fail, timeless bathroom trends and ideas that can save you thousands of dollars on your next bathroom makeover. And trust me, you don't want to start your renovation without watching this entire video. So let's get right into it, talking about color palettes. Let's talk about color. You know that these bold and moody shades like a neon green, a pink, or even a jet black, that might seem exciting and edgy, but here's the thing. They're going to make your bathroom feel dated in just a few years. Sure, a bold color looks dramatic and moody now, but in a small space, it can feel cramped and, dare I say, claustrophobic. The trick is to choose colors that open up your space and can stand the test of time. Consider soothing neutrals in your bathroom, such as soft beige, taupe, or a light gray. Make sure it's a warm gray to make your bathroom feel timeless and inviting. You can embrace this by simply adding a coat of paint to the walls or even painting your vanity. You actually can paint almost every surface in your bathroom, believe it or not. Make sure you pick lighter, neutral colors when picking your paint, and you'll be all set. Which colors do you think stand the test of time? Drop a comment below and let me know if you're team neutral or team bold in terms of color. Now, don't get me wrong, I love technology, but when it comes to smart bathroom features, less is more. Voice-activated mirrors, high-tech shower heads with 10 different settings, and automatic toilets sound futuristic, right? Like it's the Jetsons. But here's the reality. All this tech can complicate things and end up being a huge hassle. While these gadgets might seem cool, ask yourself if you really need a shower that requires a tutorial and a 10-page manual to operate. These trendy features are often super expensive to install and maintain, and they can quickly become dated as technology advances. Stick to practical, easy-to-use technology like programmable thermostats for a heated floor or simple touch-free faucets. These add convenience without complicating your daily routine. All right, let's talk about bathroom cabinets. Floating vanities and handleless cabinets are all over design magazines, and sure, they look super sleek and modern. But have you ever tried opening a push-to-open cabinet with wet hands? It's not so sleek anymore, right? Plus, floating vanities mean less storage space. And let's be real, who could not use more storage in a bathroom? What you want is cabinetry that blends beauty with practicality, like traditional cabinets with modern hardware can offer both beauty and plenty of storage. Floor-mounted vanities provide more stability and storage. These remain simple, functional, and will never go out of style. If you like this tip, if you've ever had issues with handleless cabinets, hit that like button. You know the struggle is real. So if you are planning to do a bathroom remodel like I am, I have a great free resource for you that is absolutely no cost. It is a bathroom budgeting worksheet. So it's going to list pretty much every item you might need to pay for or labor you might have to perform in your next bathroom remodel. It's going to save you a bunch of time. It might even save you money because it's going to give you a really good idea of what you're going to need to spend your money on if you're going to do a bathroom remodel. So download your copy today for free at pennymodern.com/freebies. Picture this, a grand, overly ornate chandelier hanging directly above your bathtub. Sure, it might scream luxury or glamorous, but in reality, it's more of a safety hazard. Not only are chandeliers tough to clean in a human space like a bathroom, but let's face it, they can get tacky really fast. Design trends like these can easily overpower the space and make it feel dated quickly. So consider choosing simpler lighting fixtures like moisture-resistant sconces, or if you're looking for a ceiling light, then seek a sleek flush mount. It can be a great option. These light fixtures offer both style and function while creating a more balanced, sophisticated look in your bathroom. Open shelving might look picture perfect in a magazine, but in reality, it is a clutter magnet. Let's be honest, who has time to keep everything perfectly organized all the time? I sure don't. I have a kid, I have my mom to help, and I have a husband too. From towels to toiletries, open shelves may easily end up looking extremely messy. Instead, opt for a strategic mix of both open and closed storage. Install cabinets to keep the clutter out of sight while adding a few open shelves to display decorative items. That way, you have the best of both worlds. Organized storage without the cluttered look. If your team closed storage, comment below. Or if you love the open shelving look, tell me how you make it work. I want to know. Shiny, glossy floor tiles may look sleek and modern, but when they are wet, it may turn into a skating rink. If you don't want to turn your bathroom into a safety hazard, glossy floor tile is a bathroom trend that you surely want to avoid. Instead, go for matte or textured tiles or smaller tiles. They offer a better grip and are easier to maintain. Materials like porcelain or ceramic with an anti-slip finish are both stylish and practical for bathroom floors. So stay away from those large format, very glossy, large format tiles. I know a massive jetted tub sounds like the ultimate luxury until you realize how much space it takes up and how rarely you're actually going to use it. Plus, jetted tubs are notorious for being high maintenance and getting bacteria. And you don't know how many houses I've been into and I see the tub that's a jetted tub that just looks ancient, even though it's maybe only 5 years old. Instead, opt for a space-saving soaking tub or a deep standalone tub that still feels luxurious. These tubs provide a relaxing, elegant look while being more practical for regular use and remain easier to maintain, and they're going to look more timeless. Backlit mirrors with LEDs might seem sleek and modern, but here's the catch. They're difficult to repair when the lights go out. In many cases, backlit mirrors may not offer enough light for everyday tasks like putting on makeup or using your tweezers. And let's be real, they won't stay in style more than a few years before the next big thing comes out. For a timeless look, opt for a classic frame mirror and pair it with separate lighting fixtures, whether it's a typical vanity light or sconces on either side. This gives you more control over the lighting while offering a design that won't go out of style. You can also choose your bulbs and what kind of light that you want to have, whether it's the bright light or a more muted light, and that way you get a lot more options by having a separate lighting fixture. And now here's the part you've been waiting for, those 3 timeless bathroom trends that will not only fit into your budget, but are also extremely durable. And that's going to reduce the need for expensive replacements down the road to save you money in the long term. But first, if you'd like to get even more affordable modern home decor ideas and inspiration, hit that subscribe button. It's 100% free, guaranteed. First up is timeless natural stone countertops. Consider investing in natural stone for your bathroom countertops like a granite or a quartz. These materials offer a luxurious look with excellent longevity, adding both beauty and value to your bathroom. I like these much better than marble because marble can stain and also it requires a lot of maintenance. Opt for neutral colors to stay in style for years to come. Next up is Marble Effect porcelain tiles. Marble is a timeless classic, and I know it's so beautiful, but when you use it as a tile in your entire bathroom, it can become extremely expensive. Great idea is to go for Marble Effect porcelain tiles. Choose larger tiles to reduce the amount of grout, which makes the maintenance even easier with less grout to clean. The tiles can give you that high-end look without the hefty price and maintenance. Next up is timeless chrome and polished nickel finishes. If you are looking for a versatile and long-lasting finish for your hardware, then chrome and polished nickel are perfect. The finishes are affordable, they're durable, and they're just never going to go out of style. Plus, they're easy to clean, reflect light beautifully, and they can fit into pretty much any design style that there is. Pair chrome and polished nickel with simple, elegant faucet designs like a cross handle or single handle option to complete your timeless bathroom look. So now you know what not to do in your bathroom remodel. Would you like to get even more timeless bathroom trends and ideas so you can make the right choices in your bathroom renovation? If you do, I have a great video. Watch this one right here. This is all about timeless bathroom trends and interior design.